So welcome again to design and prototype an iPhone 6 app without coding, where I'll take you through the entire process of creating an app, an interactive prototype from scratch. So who was this course made for? This course was made if you're an UX designer or an UI designer, a web designer, or even just a graphic designer that wants to take their creations into an actual prototype that they can use with their hands. So if you're someone that wants to put their design flow or an app that just put on paper or on a screen, and then you want to actually put it on a phone, this course is made for you. Or probably you're an entrepreneur. You have a great idea, but you want to show it. You want to show it for investors or probably someone else that could help you get interested into your project. This is perfect for you too, because you will actually show it on your phone. You will actually be in a meeting and you'll be like, look at this. So this is made for you too. So what are you going to need for this course? You're going to be needing basically Illustrator. You can have a free version of Illustrator. After that, everything is free because you can use a free Dropbox account, and you can use, for the prototype, we're going to be using Marvel app, which is free too. And it's awesome. It's a web app that you can just put your prototypes on the web and on your phone for absolutely no money. So what are we going to do exactly? We're going to design the entire app in Illustrator. Every screen, every UI asset, every color, even the logo and the icons, everything we're going to do it. We're going to do the tab navigation, we're going to do the buttons, we're going to do the typography. And from that, we're going to create an entire sign-up flow, an entire onboarding process, an entire navigation system. And then we're going to have product detail pages, where we're going to have an image slider. And all of this is going to be you're going to be using interactions on your phone to connect all of these screens. And between the interactions, you're going to have transitions, like transitions that you see in every app, which is like fading, fade out, push, slide from the left, slide from the right. All of these interactions and animations, you're going to be able to recreate them on your screens, on a phone, which is amazing. So let's just begin with this. So on the next lecture, I'm going to teach you what you need to have on your computer, what you need to sign up with, and how to download the assets. And from there, we're just going to jump in to actually design your app like right away. And let's do this.